loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have an eyeshadow palette from Elf. This is in a collaboration with Jkissa to the rescue. So this is the palette right here. This is the colors. It has mattes and it also has shimmer shades in this palette as well. And also what I thought was so cute is that it comes with stickers. So of course I'm going to give this to my children. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into this palette. So before I get into it, I will be showing you guys how I did these eyebrows. I never do a tutorial on my eyebrows. They turned out okay. But anyway, they might be cousins today, but I tried. So after that, we're gonna jump right into the palette. Hey y'all, so I'm going in with Bella Perry Cosmetics. This is the brow gel. And I'm going to use this gel to outline my eyebrows. Next, I'm going in with my brow pencil. I'm just filling it in lightly. You can buy these pencils from any beauty supply stores. Next, I'm going in, I'm just adding little small make-believe hairs, and then that is it. Okay, I lied. So the last step is me adding my concealer and blending it out, and that is it. Alright, so I have my eyes primed with the P. Louise base. I have Romer 0.5. Next, I'm going to dip into this palette. If my camera is shaking, it is the desk. My stand-up tripod broke, so I have to use a desk tripod. So I think I want to go with probably like a summery type theme. I think I'm going to dig into this side of the palette. So I'm probably going to go in with transition shade, probably this one right here. So I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It is called Pepper. And I'm just going to apply that in my crease. So I'm just going to dig into the pan and just apply it right here. And I'm applying it in my crease and just a little bit above. The color is a little dull to me, in my opinion. So I am going to go in with Cassie on top of it. It might not make a difference, but I'm going to see what that does. Okay, I feel it makes somewhat of a difference. So I'm going to go in next with a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this out a bit. I don't want a line of demarcation. Ooh-wee. To me, it took away some of the product. Okay. I don't like that at all. Do y'all just saw what just happened? Okay. That's interesting. So I'm just gonna go in with a different brush and dig into Cassie and Pepper because they are from the same color. I'm going to see if that's going to make a difference. I'm just going to do a circular motion. Maybe that might work. Alright, so this is a bit disappointing a lot. This is very disappointing. Wow. It does not look nothing like what's in the pan. And I just did a tutorial and review on another product by Elf. That one was great. This one, I don't know what's wrong with this one at all. So I'm going to pat this color on. I did the same color motions I did with the other palette. So I don't get why this one is not performing the same. So I was going to go in with red, and then I was going to put orange and then blend them too, so I can have like a sunset. But how this is looking right now, I'm not going to even bother. So I'm just going to go ahead, do this eye, and then move on to the next step. Alright, so I put the other color on the other eye. I'm kind of already disappointed because the color is not where it's at, where I want it to be, in my opinion. I don't like how the color just came right off. Very disappointing. So I'm just going to go ahead and change my plans and just cut the crease. I wanted to do what I had said to you guys earlier, but I'm just going to cut my crease. If you see me looking this way, the mirror is right here. I cannot put the mirror right here because literally it's going to cover up the whole screen. So sorry about that, but yeah, I'm about to cut my crease. Eyeshadow dry faster, I'm going to go in with my Aspon powder to set the not the foundation, but the eyeshadow. I want it to dry faster, so this kind of helps me with drying it faster. So I'm just going to fan it a little bit. I think I'm going to do this whole roll, but I'm not sure if I should apply eyeshadow on top. I'm just going to test this out real quick. Next, I'm just going in with the brightest yellow, and I'm just outlining the edges only. Next, I'm going in with the whole bottom row, the yellow, orange, and red. Next, I'm going to go in with pepper right here. I'm just going to blend the outer. All right, both eyes are finished. So I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeliners. And then I'm going to put my lashes on. All right, so I just want to show you guys how my eyeliner is looking. Cute, popping. So I'll be right back with my lashes on. Alright, so I have my lashes put on. Next, I'm about to do my face, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I'm finished with my face. This is how my eyeshadow is looking so far. So next, I want to go in with an under eye smoky color. So I'm probably going to go in with the shade Cassie right here. Next, I'm going to go in with my Stila mascara. And after that, I'm going to go in with my favorite, my Kat Von D. I have Crucifix and Double Dare. Oh my god, y'all. So I did not film me doing my swatches on the colors that I did use, but those swatches were very dry. Overall, with this palette, I hate to say it, but I do not recommend it. It just didn't come up to my standards at all. It just wasn't as like I said, it wasn't as pigmented, but the shimmers in the palette were great. They blended well. So if you was to get this palette, I would just recommend the shimmers. The mattes that I did use did not perform great. So thanks for watching. Love you all, and bye.